What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take another look at a beard company we reviewed in the past, but this is a new product, so make sure to stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, tips and tricks, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and check back for more content. So today we're going to be taking a look at a new product, or a newer product, from a company that I have reviewed in the past. Hat might give it away, but Brother Nature Beards. And again, this is still the coolest business card that I have received to date. It is actual wood business card. So if you haven't seen my other video where I reviewed some beard oils and balm and butter, you can check it out. I'll put a card up top. I'll also link that video in the description below. So today what we're going to be looking at is their beard conditioning beard and body wash. Alright, so this comes in 4 ounces and 8 ounces, and it is peppermint, rosemary, and tea tree scented wash. Comes in a cobalt blue plastic bottle with a pop top, and the ingredients, they are very, very small. If it will focus, those are the ingredients right here on top. So the ingredients are saponified oils of coconut, olive, jojoba, avocado, aloe vera, local honey, coconut milk, rosemary extract, and essential oils. Now, a little bit about Brother Nature Beards. They only use essential oils. They use no fragrance oils. They're based in North Carolina, and they locally source their honeys and some of their essential oils. They get them locally to give back to the local community. Brother Nature Beards is also veteran owned. The two guys that own Brother Nature Beards, Scott and Brandon, they are both veterans of the military, and they give back to those causes. And in 2019, this year, they're going to be donating a portion of their profits to the Till Valhalla Fund, which helps prevent and tries to prevent veteran suicide by raising awareness. So that is definitely a good cause. Their products are all handmade in the U.S., and it's a great company. Love this company. As you can tell, this is one of my favorite hats. So when I first got this in the mail, I started using it with my beard for a beard wash. I was kind of leery about using it for a body wash because it's only a 4-ounce bottle. Now they also do have an 8-ounce bottle in this beard wash. So I used it for my beard, loved the way it did. It did not completely strip everything out, but it also had some conditioning properties. If you let it sit for a little while and rinse it out, you don't have to use a co-wash with it. This is kind of an all-in-one. Now I did use it while I was testing this. I used it back-to-back days for probably 4 days just to see if it dried anything out or had any adverse effects to my beard. It did not. So it doesn't completely strip everything, but it is a good wash and conditioning wash. Now it says body wash. So when I was first using this, like I said, I was a little bit leery because of the size of the bottle, and I knew how much I was using for my beard. So I reached out to the guys over at Brother Nature Beards and I said, hey, this is a little bottle to be using for my body. I know how big of a body wash bottle I buy. And they told me, they said, try it. A little goes a long way. Try it and get back with us. And I tried it. It was amazing. All right, it doesn't take a drop. I mean, I'm not even saying not even a dime size portion, and you can wash your whole body with this. It lathers well. Funny story was, right after I reached out to them about using it for a body wash, I was a dummy and got sunburned really bad. My back, my arms, and started using this. Used this, washed, made sure if I didn't wash anything else, I washed the part that was sunburned. Sunburn went away. So the ingredients in here are really good, not only for your beard, but for your skin. So that aloe vera in there and some of the other ingredients did really well with that sunburn, pulling that burn out, and I didn't even peel. So it was a good thing. Smell is awesome. You can smell the tea tree, but it's not a lingering scent. It doesn't have any effect on your beard oils and balms that you're going to put in when you get out of the shower. It's just a clean, good scent. Now it lathers very well. You can see there, I just shook it up, so I've got some bubbles. It lathers really well, and this pop top is easy to use in the shower, get a little bit out, and for your beard, it really doesn't take a whole lot. I actually was using a little bit too much initially, just because I had used some other products that I needed to use a lot, and I didn't need a whole lot with this. So a little goes a long way. Highly recommend this. I can't remember the exact prices. They do have, like I said, a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce bottle. I'll drop links to their Etsy store, Etsy shop in the description, as well as their Instagram page. You definitely need to check out Brother Nature Beards. And if you don't do anything else when you get over there, pick up one of these awesome hats, because they are awesome. But go over, check out my review from the other stuff. Highly recommend anything that I've tried from this company, whether it be butters, oils, balms, now co-wash or washes, co-wash, body wash, that kind of thing. All of it has been truly, truly amazing. So this is going to be staying in my shower for me to use periodically when I am not testing products. So definitely check out Brother Nature Beards. And if you haven't already, you can subscribe right here by clicking on my logo. There'll be 2 new videos up here on the top for you to watch. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.